Now, this is Elaine Thomson Herah, and guess what? She is the fastest woman alive in the whole wide world. She has a time of 10.54 seconds that has never ever been beaten by any athlete in the world. And this has been able to make her one of the fastest women alive. But guess what? She is not going to the Paris Olympic. And the reason is because she recently got injured while racing. So for that reason, she quit her journey to the Paris Olympic 2024. Now, Elaine Thomson Herah recently dropped a message to her athletic fans. And in this video, I will be sharing that message because when I saw that message, I was very shocked. And you know what first came into my mind when I saw Elaine message again was I have this feeling that the reason why she sent the message was because of her not going to the Paris Olympic 2024. And we all know it's actually sad to see the fastest woman alive herself not going to the Paris Olympic. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the main message that Elaine Thomson Herah has. Okay. So before we start reading the message, in case this happens to be your first time, please do me a favor to like this video and subscribe before we continue. Now, this is the message that Elaine Thomson Herah dropped, and she said, never regret a day in your life. Good days give you happiness, bad days give you experience, the worst days gives lessons, the best days give you memories. You cannot have the good without the bad. And when I saw this message, I felt it in my heart because I'm sure she is referring to herself. She is referring to the fact that she will be watching Paris Olympic live, and she's not gonna be there. She will be watching it in Jamaica. She will be watching it in her own house. And it's gonna be sad, right? And that's the reason why she said never regret a day in your life. That she is never gonna regret the fact that she is not going to the Paris Olympic. And she said good days give you happiness. She is referring to the fact that she has been a multiple time Olympic champion, and those days makes her happy. And she said bad days gives you experience. Now, talking about her Elaine bad days, definitely she must be referring to the day she had an issue with Coach Francis Frano. It was definitely a bad day, and she not qualifying last year for individual 100 and 200 meters, and of course again this year at the Paris Olympics she did not also qualify. So it's part of the bad days, right? And she said the worst days gives you lesson, right? And she also said the best days give you memories. Like, okay, the day Elaine Thomson Herah ran the fastest time definitely is gonna be one of the best memory she will ever kept or keep in her brain, right? So this message is actually she's referring to herself rather than referring it to other people, and it's very personal. And she said you cannot have the good without the bad. And I feel like she's absolutely right, because in life you definitely will have to fall and rise. Life is full of ups and downs, and I feel like people should stop dragging Elaine Thomson Herah and calling her names. Elaine deserves more respect, okay? So let me hear your opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.